Hey guys, it's Huey. I just wanted to take and do this unboxing of a Lancaster number 12. This is a second. They went on sale, and after looking at it, I just had to pull the trigger because I have the 8, and I wanted to get a larger one. And out of all of the new brands, right now I'd have to, rank Lancaster number 1. Field and Stargazer both are really good. A lot of people had trouble with their Stargazer, but I didn't, and I have a 12 and a 10 of theirs, so wanted to get a 12 of this so I can take and have one of each of the larger ones. So here we go. All right. Well, it is definitely a pretty skillet. Comes with a thank you card, which is cool. It's got the first time use and clean up and continued care, which, I mean, hopefully, I'll go through all the steps on it. It looks pretty good. You can pause it if you wanted to read it. But I've got my own little system, so we'll take care of that. But that is nice of them. One thing that amazes me, they send these skillets like Lodge does, just in a box with no protection like this, but just because of the fact they don't move, they're protected good. So that's the key. Anybody shipping cast iron, make sure it doesn't move. Well, right off the bat, I can see why this one is a second. It's got one little casting flaw right here and another little casting flaw right there, but those will fill in with use. Other than that, this thing is immaculate. Well, on the front it is. Let's flip it over and look at the back of it. All right. I'll tell you what, that's a pretty skillet. I do like that design. I like the handle. This one's not as pronounced on the rib as the 8 is. You can definitely lay the 8 right beside a 1922 to 24 Wagner, and it nearly matches exactly. But there she is, guys. We'll get it cleaned up, and we'll see it cooking soon. Hope y'all have a great day.